Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
This video we're going to show you how to remove and replace a front outside door handle on this 2004 Chevy Colorado. We show you the driver's side. The passenger side is the same procedure. Only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket with a ratchet and an extension.
There are two screws right down in here. Phillips screwdriver. And remove these. Pull this up, turn it over, get the screws out. Okay, these disconnect just by pressing on little tabs, pulling out. And then disconnect our mirror switch as well. And there's a screw you want to remove right in there. Just remove that screw. And this bezel comes off. And then you can just kind of go right around the door panel and give it a good firm quick pull. Remove this up here by pulling it out and then up, and the door panel comes right up off there, and there's a little connector here for your speaker. Just press in on a tab. Let's pull the water shield back carefully. Okay, now inside the door, there's a bolt right there you need to remove. And then if you pop this little plug out, okay, you'll see a bolt right through there that you have to remove. And before you do that, reach right in here. And you'll see a red clip. Pull that off, push that rod right out.
Fast forward as I use a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension and remove those two bolts. Pretty easy access in there. You can get your hand right in to unscrew them the rest of the way and pull them out.
Okay, now you reach in and lift up on the handle. Okay, and then it comes out some way, and then you can reach right in here. You'll see a little clip right here. Just kind of pull that clip off with your finger, and the handle comes right off and out. Use your 10mm wrench or socket and ratchet. Move this bolt here. As well as this bolt here. Take your lock mechanism out. Replacement handle from 1AAuto, just like the original handle. Okay, put the lock in place. Thread the first bolt in. Thread the second bolt in. Okay, now you basically kind of have to hold the handle right near this rod, push that rod into the lock, and push the clip down and lock it on there. Okay. put the handle in place. On this side, start our bolts in.
I'll just fast forward as we put those 2 bolts back in and tighten them up nice and firm.
Okay, bolts are in. Just gotta flip that up.
And get the rod back in place. And then clip it in. Put the little trim cap back in place. Put your water shield back. Make sure the door is unlocked, and then you can test it.
Okay, before you put your door panel back on, a couple of my clips didn't come with the panel. So I'll just pull them off, needle nose pliers. Okay. They just slide right in to the panel. Okay, put your panel back on. Hook in your speaker. Okay, hang the panel up. Right there. Pull your harnesses through. Take a peek back here. Make sure your clips, your pins are going right in to the holes. Okay. This you kind of pull out on the panel a little bit in place. Put this in place. Push it in. Phillips screw. Firm. Okay. Plug your mirror switch back in. And then the 2 connections for the window switch.
And we'll just fast forward here as we put those 2 Phillips screws back in, tighten them up nice and firm, and you're all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.